kick both of them out from the system.
Different foreigner coaches have different mindset, different brain. Shoaib Akhtar is a man of nerve and he is a man of character.
He said, if I was not paid, I will not talk.
Infrastructure of Pakistan, you are guessing, but I am talking about whole infrastructure of for Afghanistan as well, that they are playing in the Asian venue. And Afghanistan will be a bit dominant at this.
There are lots of discussion happening in sport, and Tahir is with us today. How are you, Tahir?
Doing good. Akib, God is too kind. But about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir. Well, alhamdulillah. So, Tahir, what do you say about today's match between Afghanistan and England? Do you think Afghanistan will be able to upset England again? It's a tough match happening.
Afghanistan is a very good team, and they are growing day by day. And I think it's a good time for Afghanistan as well, that they are playing in the Asian venue. And Afghanistan will be a bit dominant at this point, because in past we have seen that Afghanistan won from Australia, even
beat England in last
World Cup. Beat in England as well. So it's a very tough task for England to beat Afghanistan.
And I think England is having a tough road, because they lost a very close match for Australia as well.
Exactly.
If they don't win, they will be out of this.
Definitely, they will be in the bit of turn situation as well.
And I may have to ask you one serious question. Do you think since the departure of Gillespie and Kirsten from our coaching setup, our cricket has faced a decline since we brought Akib Bhai?
Definitely, Akib, foreigner coaches
we kicked both of them out from the system.
Foreigner coaches have different mindset, different brain, and different school of thought, right? So our traditional cricketers don't have that much level. I think I personally felt the big gap of the Gillespie shape of the performance of our cricket. If Gillespie could have been here, our team could have been performed wonders.
Yes, Tahir Bhai, you were constantly warning Akib Bhai that don't accept head coach position, you will be removed. It's not a stable position to have. And now we are hearing that he will be kicked out.
Even Basit Ali warned the Akib Bhai, Akib Mia, please stay away. And Akib Bhai didn't bother to hear even a single word, and now he is facing the music.
And Tahir Bhai, also Nasir Hussain, the English cricketer, has been criticizing Indian advantage as well, that India is playing all of their matches in Dubai. They don't have to travel anywhere, and ICC is giving them undue favor because they probably want Rohit and Virat to win another tournament and retire.
It is just because of the so-called dirty politics of Jay Shah, nothing else. He paved the seed of hatred in the team. Otherwise, Indian team is a very overwhelming, very humanitarian, and very guest lover, right? So I think Jay Shah should change his habits and nerves, and he should develop his attitude of the ICC chairman, right? Otherwise, there is no need of such chairman having ICC who is just spoiling the cricket around the globe. So it's not the matter of Pakistan-Indian match, it's the matter of the cricket in the subcontinent. Well, no, you look, won't be Australia will be feeling any negative content. Him, Pat Cummins news is also coming, whether it's truth or false, but still it is happening. So I think India should do something positive for the betterment of the cricket, not only between Pakistan and India, but also among the whole world.
And Tahir Bhai, I have a question. Do you think we need a player like Shoaib Akhtar in our coaching setup, because he's on his top right, and someone was saying that if he gets involved, Pakistan cricket can go in the right direction? Because Shoaib Akhtar has a lot of dedication.
Bilkul, Akib, we need Shoaib Akhtar. Shoaib Akhtar is a man of nerve and he is a man of character.
He said, if I was not paid, I will not talk about cricket. That's how much he is hurt from the team.
Yeah, definitely. Akib, Shoaib, not only Shoaib, even Wasim Akram was hurt. Okay, even everyone is just in the sense of fear or anger. Everyone. Rashid Latif. Even any
Arun and Shahzad also. Let's include both of them.
So I think there is a big dire of the need of the team, not only team, in the whole cricket infrastructure of Pakistan. You are guessing, but I am talking about whole infrastructure from top to bottom. Until unless this infrastructure won't be changed, our team won't be step up onto the winning streak.
But you want Shoaib Akhtar in some role, Tahir Bhai?
Yes, Akib, Shoaib Akhtar is a man of character, he's a man of vision. So I think Shoaib Akhtar is direly need, so he could fix the things as well.
And lastly, Tahir Bhai, before we conclude this video, Rizwan, Shaheen, Naseem, all of the players have faced a downfall in their ODI rankings after the recent performances. How do you see, particularly Pakistan's pace batteries decline?
I think there is no need of downing them. PCB or ICC should ban them. They are a big player and they are delivering shots for none. This concept is totally wrong. Okay, I think they should be banned from the cricket for at least 2 years. Maybe in the
Tahir Bhai, you support Rizwan, but you're telling for his betterment.
Yeah, but Rizwan's hands are just coupled, right? So that's why he's not reviewing properly. I think PCB should take into the consideration about the Rizwan's goods and bads. Otherwise, as a captain, Rizwan is a good person, but if he won't fulfill the desires of the captain, then he can't win officially.
Tabe, thank you so much for inshallah tomorrow again we will have you with another video. So that's it for the video. Like, share, subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Tell me goodbye from the entire side. The good give yourself and Allah Hafiz.